guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jaden here, and basically, you guys, today it is January 4th, 2025, which is so crazy to say. I cannot believe that we are in the year of 2025. I wanted to do like a fun little reset with you guys. I wanted to also put a disclaimer out that you do not need to reset on January 1st. I feel like that is such a hard time because you're just coming off from like a New Year's Eve fun little time, and today is Saturday. So I thought, what better way to start than a fun little reset? So with that being said, right now we're at TJ Maxx. I think I'm gonna hit TJ Maxx, Five Below, and Target. I wanted to see if they had any fun Valentine's Day decor, but I'm also looking for a fun little planner and a notebook for this year. So I feel like we should just head on inside, see what we can find, and let's get going. But just with ketchup on the hamburger.
Okay.
And then can I do a cherry Coke for the drink?
Of course.
And that should be it.
Please have a hamburger plain with ketchup only, a fry, and a cherry Coke.
Yep.
Will you be using the car or taking the bill?
In the car.
It's gonna be $8.44 in the first window. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Okay guys, so as you guys just saw, I went to Target and TJ Maxx. I also went to Five Below, but I didn't really find anything there, so I didn't really want to vlog. But I did just go get some In-N-Out, so I thought I'd share my order. I just get a hamburger and then some fries, and then on top of it, I got a cherry Coke. Delicious. So I'm gonna eat this, probably listen to some music, and then I think we're gonna go home and start with our reset. So I'm super excited. Okay guys, so I just got back from Target and TJ Maxx, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. So let's go to my bedroom and let's go do a little haul. Okay, so as I said, I went to Target and TJ Maxx. I also stopped into Michael's really quickly, and I bought one little thing, so I'll show you that one first. I saw this super cute set of cherries. They're like disco ball type cherries. I think they're so freaking cute. I think I'm gonna put this in my kitchen somewhere. I feel like my kitchen is kind of like fruit themed, so I really enjoy that, and I feel like this would be a perfect addition. And then I went to TJ Maxx and I bought two different things. So first thing, I found this super cute bowl. There's like bows on it. I needed a new mixing bowl. I just like bake and cook all the time. Like that is my New Year's resolution, and so I thought what better way to start it than with like a cute little bowl. So again, it has bows, it's pink, and then it comes with like two cookie cutters as well as like a spatula. So I think this was so cute and I'm so excited to use it. And then the last thing that I got is just this super cute little XOXO pillow. I think it's a pillow, I want to say. I'm gonna put it on my, what do you call it? My living room couch, so I'm super excited. I feel like I love having my whole bedroom and just apartment themed in like pink, and Valentine's Day is kind of like an all year round type thing in my apartment, so this is a perfect addition. And then we went to Target and we got a few things, so I'm super excited to show you. First things first, as you can see, is this super cute XO pillow. It was literally in the 135 section. I think it was $5, so love this. I am so excited. I think I'll put it on my bed. I feel like that would be so fun, or on like my chair back there, so we'll see. Then they had this new like Blogilates, I think, like collection out, and I got this super cute little tank. I think it's adorable. I love the little ruffles. One of my other New Year's resolutions is to run a half marathon, so I need to start running more. I thought this would be so cute. I feel like having new like fun activewear kind of just motivates me to actually like use it and go out, so I'm super excited. I feel like this is such a fun color. And then along with like kind of activewear but also not, I got this super cute little top. It's like pink, it's backless and ties, so I feel like this would be super fun like for a night out, but at the same time it has like a workout material, so I wouldn't mind wearing this. Like, again, I'd have to like layer up, especially right now. I want to say it's like 20 degrees outside. It is freezing. Then I got some more Valentine's Day stuff. So this was in the 135 section. This was $3. It's just this super cute photo frame with a bow in it. I'm so excited to put this in my living room. I don't know where to put this, but it's this super cute little disco ball type art, and I think I'm gonna hang it somewhere. I'm not entirely sure where. I just really needed this in my life. Then the one thing that I actually went there for was a monthly planner, and so I got this one. It's so fun. Just like, I love the colors. It's like pink with like, I don't know, like a highlighter yellow. So again, it's like a monthly weekly planner, so there's like the month and then it like goes into the weeks just like that. I just need this to like plan out my life. I always use a planner even though like I'm not in school anymore. I just feel like I love having my life organized, and you know, best way to start 2025 is stay organized. Then the last thing that I got is just this super cute little tray. It just has these little bows on it, and I am so excited to start hosting more. That's like my plan also for 2025. You guys will see it later in the video, all of my plans, and I am so excited for my goals and resolutions this year, but this was way too cute to pass up, and it was $5, so fun stuff. That was my entire haul, and so now I think the next thing that we need to do is start cleaning up my apartment a little bit. It's pretty much clean. I just want to clean some surfaces, vacuum, and then sweep, so let's roll the footage. Now that I feel like my place is finally clean and organized and all of that fun stuff, I've been doing so much deep cleaning for the past few days that I felt like I just needed to do like a surface level cleaning today. But now that we are done with the organization and cleanliness of our apartment, I feel like the next thing that I wanted to do is a 2024 recap. And so this was my journal for 2024. I didn't fill out too much of it, and I did buy a new journal for 2025. I'm hoping to fill out a lot more pages, just like creativity wise, I guess, if that makes sense. But so I did want to show my Apple Music replay recap really quickly. I felt like it was so cute and stunning. I'll insert some clips here, but basically I listened to 63,398 minutes total in 2024, which is crazy to think of. And then my top artists, obviously no surprise here, is Taylor Swift. And then second was Tate McRae, third was Megan Moroney, fourth was Morgan Wallen, and then fifth actually was Post Malone, crazy enough. Okay guys, so first and foremost, I did want to share one thing that really keeps me organized throughout the year, and that is Notion. I'm sure you guys have heard about it from so many different YouTubers, TikTokers, etc. I feel like it is such a good way to stay organized, and so I kind of wanted to show you guys my template that I made. I made this last year in 2024, and then I just updated it into 2025. I still have some tweaks that I need to make, but we're going to go throughout it, and I'm going to show you guys kind of all of my pages. So first, the main page is called Work Hard, Dream Big, and so I have my cover, which is basically my 2025 vision board that I'll show you guys, and then I have my ultimate bucket list, which is so crazy. I have my lifetime goals, my 2025 prep, and including inside that I have my 2025 goals, my YouTube video that I wanted to create, aka this one, and then some reading journal ideas. So I'll show you guys my 2025 goals. These are the ones that I'm really hoping to accomplish throughout the year, and I think I really will be able to. First and foremost, I do want to ski more because it's just, I'm really trying to really invest my time in hobbies rather than like spending money on like shopping, for like clothes and stuff like that. That's been kind of my MO, so trying to get away from that. So skiing more, just doing more hobbies in general. I want to read 30 books this year. I know last year I wanted to read 40, but I didn't hit that goal. So I was like, okay, we're gonna downgrade it a little bit, and if I surpass it, then great. I want to run the Horsetooth Pass Marathon. I already signed up for it, so I'm super excited for that. I want to do the Boulder 10K again, as I discussed in the earlier part of this video. I have a goal for savings. I want to travel internationally. I want to create more and post more YouTube videos. I create a lot of YouTube videos, but I don't actually end up posting them. So that is the goal this year, is to be more confident and not so perfectionistic in my ideas of what a good video looks like. I want to work out more, journal daily, and then no DoorDash for the whole year. I feel like DoorDash has been my nemesis recently, and so just cutting it out of my life I feel like would be the best. I want to learn how to golf more, and then I want to visit 2 new states, and then I also have some fun concerts on the list already that I purchased, so I'm super excited. Yeah, so those are my 2025 goals. And then I'll show you guys also, I have like a habit tracker, which is really cool. It's a daily habit tracker and then a weekly habit tracker. I haven't updated it in a little bit. And then I also have my morning routine, which is so fun. I really like sticking to it. I've been working more on kind of just like self-care in terms of my morning and night routine. And then I also have like a monthly plan. So this is like my January spread. And then this kind of shows you the things that I want to do, videos that I want to create, etc. And so that is kind of like my overall Notion so far. I really, really love it. And now I think what we need to do is create our vision board. And so I am going on Pinterest and I'm just going to save a bunch of things. And what I really look up is like my goals. So if I want to ski more, I'll look up skiing. If I want to save more, I'll look up savings. Just different categories like that. So I'm going to show you guys my vision board, Pinterest board really quickly. And so it's just golfing, like I said, paddleboarding, running a half marathon, having a good credit, concerts, my 26th birthday, which is so crazy, the amount of followers that I want, running more, just different things like that, reading, journaling, etc. And so now what I'm gonna do is create in Canva. And I do love this app as well. It is so freaking nice. So I'm just gonna go to Canva and then I'll show you guys kind of my spread that I created. So this is the spread that I created and I'm so excited because now what I can do is either print out some of these pictures and put them in my journal as well as put them as my desktop wallpaper. So I'm gonna set it as my desktop wallpaper. She's cute. She's really cute. The next order of business is going to be my journals. So I'm gonna close this and then I will show you guys. So I already showed you guys the monthly planner that I bought. And then in addition, I have 2 notebooks. So I got this notebook from Target. This is my just daily journal in general. And then this one I got from Paper Source, I believe. And it was a bullet journal. And so this is going to be my 2025 reading journal. So let's get into it. So I have my 2 journals here and I kind of want to show you guys what I did with them. So first things first, we're going to go with the book journal. So page 1 is obviously just the start of it. So it's just a title page showing my book journal. And then the second one is going to be my TBR cart from 2024. So these are all the physical books that I have in my apartment at this moment and I have not read them yet. So I thought I'd list kind of my favorite ones that I really want to get to, and then I'll highlight them once I've read them. The next one is 20-25 pages per day. So I have it where I just color in how many pages I read that day based on the coding. And then the next page is my most anticipated 2025 book releases. So I think the one that I'm most excited for is Onyx Storm by Rebecca Yarros. That is going to be the 3rd book for the Fourth Wing series. And then I'm also really excited for Great Big Beautiful Life by Emily Henry. The next page is an A to Z reading challenge. So whatever book title the letter starts with, I'm just gonna write that in. And then I just have my January spread. So I wanted to add in my January TBR. So I'm gonna tell you guys right now what that includes. First and foremost, I've been reading Throne of Glass, and so the next book that I am in the series is going to be Heir of Fire. So that is going to be the next read, and then after that, I think I might switch it up, and I really want to read Legendary by Stephanie Garber, I believe. It's the 2nd book in the Caraval series, and then the next book will be Icebreaker. I'm not entirely sure what order these will be in. These are just my hopefuls for January. And then, so like I said, Icebreaker by Hannah Grace. And then finally, it's going to be, hopefully I get to King of Wrath by Anna Huang. So I'm super pumped for that. And I'm going to add that into this journal as kind of like a TBR page. But I just kind of wanted to show you guys the prompt of that. And then next we have my journal. So this is going to be like my daily junk everything journal. And so first and foremost, obviously we have the 2025 page, and then I also printed off my entire vision board and put it on here, just cut them out and made it look super cute. That way I can always look at it. Then I have my 2025 goals, and then the next page is just a reflection of me as of right now. So it's kind of where I'm at in life, what I'm doing, friends I have, stuff like that. Next is my yearly budget. Like I said, I do have a savings goal in mind. And then finally will be the January cover page, and then I'll just start journaling. So I'm super excited for this, and I really just wanted to kind of show you guys that, and I think I said this earlier in the video, but you really don't need to start January 1st. I feel like January in the month of January in general is honestly just the time to restart, reboot, whether it's January 1st, January 20th, whatever day. I feel like it's just a great time. And even if you're doing it February, March, April, it is just a great time to reflect, make goals, and then try for a better version of you. And so next thing that I want to do on my list and final thing is just write out all of the things that I need to do for the upcoming week. So this includes like video ideas, Instagram posts, reels, stuff like that. And then of course I do work, so I need to add in a bit of that as well. So I thought I'd kind of end the video off here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and just really got inspired to kind of start a new year, a new month, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And without further ado, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.